Welcome to the ultimate guide for creating and organizing your perfect craft room. Whether you are crafting as a hobby, spending quality time with family, or building a part-time or full-time creative business, having a dedicated craft space transform your creativity journey. A well-designed craft room is more than just a workspace. It's your creative sanctuary, where inspiration flows and imagination comes alive. Natural light streaming through windows creates the perfect environment for retail work. Comfortable seating, organized shelving, and throughout. Displayed finished project inspires you. Every time you step into your space, your craft room becomes a reflection of your creativity and passion. Organization is the foundation of an efficient and enjoyable crafting experience. Transparent storage containers allow you to see exactly what supplies you have without opening every box color. Coordinator organization makes finding materials quick and easy. Label baskets and shelves. Keep everything from fabric and paper to buttons and beads in their design-designated spots. When your supplies are organized, you spend less time searching and more time creating. This system works perfectly whether you have a large studio or a compact corner in your home. A dedicated swing station elevates your fabric crafting expedites. Proper task. Lighting overhead prevents eye strains during detailed work. Using machine sits on a sturdy table with comfortable seating that supports good posture for long sessions. Spools of thread organized on wall hooks keep color visible and accessible fabric storage. Keep your materials safe and ready for your next project. Display your finished sewn creation proudly, showcasing your skills and inspiration future projects. The true magic of a craft room happens when you are actively creating, selecting supplies with intention, preparing materials with care, and engaging in focused creative works. Brings your ideas to life. Threading your machine with precision. Watching fabrics transform under your hands and bringing your vision to reality. One stitch at a time is deeply rewarding. Multiple projects in process show the energy and purpose of an active creative space. Your craft room becomes a hub of productivity, joy, and personal accomplishment. Whether your craft for relaxation, family bonding, or organized, inspiring craft room elevates every creative moment. Start building your perfect craft space today and unlock your creative potential. So this was the craft room ideas. So a true magic of a craft room happens when you're actively creating, selecting supplies with an intention, preparing materials with care, and engaging in focus. Creative what brings you her ideas to. A precision watching fabrics transform under your hands and bringing your vision to reality. One stitch at a time is deeply rewarding. Multiple projects in progress shows the energy and purpose of an active creative space. Your craft room becomes a hub of productivity, joy, and personal accomplishment. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'm making this video and this ideas for you. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So keep this organization and keep organized your craft room and make it more beautiful, and you can get these ideas. Have a good time. Take care. Bye-bye.